Okay, we are going to operate similar to how we did in the previous two questions. We've got tangent to the fourth power, but our power reducing formula really only applies to tangent squared. So we're going to rewrite it like this. And just that tangent squared portion is turned into 1 minus cosine 2 theta over 1 plus cosine 2 theta, quantity squared. So if we expand this, that means the numerator and the denominator are each being squared. In fact, you could rewrite it as 1 minus cosine 2 theta squared divided by 1 plus cosine 2 theta squared. And that would mean the same thing. So from here, you're going to rewrite this. You'll have 1 minus 2 cosine 2 theta plus cosine squared 2 theta all over 2, all over 1 plus cosine, 1 plus 2 cosine, 2 cosine 2 theta plus cosine squared 2 theta, okay? Just like last time, we want to continue simplifying this as much as possible. And for us, that's going to happen with the cosine squared 2 thetas. Again, we're looking for powers smaller than 1, right? Nothing greater than 1. So we'll substitute again, this time with cosine, 2 cosine 2 theta. And then you're going to have a plus, and cosine squared theta translates to 1 plus cosine 2 theta over 2. And our denominator, you have 1 plus 2 cosine 2 theta plus as well. And then you're going to also write a 1 plus cosine 2 theta over 2. From here, it's really just a simplification. So we want to clean this up as much as we can. I see we can give everyone in the top half of our fraction a denominator of 2. So that would be 2 minus 4 cosine 2 theta plus 1 plus cosine 2 theta all over 2. And we can do the same in our denominator. So on both of those, this group is multiplied by 2 over 2, and this group is multiplied by 2 over 2. So then you would also get 2 plus 4 cosine 2 theta plus 1 plus cosine 2 theta all over 2 as well. There is some simplifying that we can do here, actually a decent amount that we can do here. We have a 2 and a 1, so that's 3. And then you actually have cosine 2 thetas that you can combine, right? There's no more exponents on them. If you went back a couple steps when they were cosine 2 theta and cosine squared 2 theta, we could not combine those. But in this case, we actually can. So you get minus 3 cosine 2 theta, and then over 2, all divided by 3 as well. And this one is going to be plus 5 cosine 2 theta over 2. From here, I'm going to take my top fraction, so 3 minus 3 cosine 2 theta over 2, and I'm going to multiply it by the reciprocal, the denominator, so that's going to be times 2 over 3 plus 5 cosine 2 theta. Those 2's are definitely going to cancel, but they're the only thing that cancels, so we're left with 3 minus 3 cosine 2 theta over 3 plus 5 cosine 2 theta. All right, I will see you in the next one.